guys, welcome to Aadrai jungle trek and welcome back to my channel madsy. This is extremely beautiful, untouched and less explored jungle trek. But this jungle trek is quite raw. तो अगर तुम्हें nature बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, अगर तुम्हें jungle बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, so you are gonna love this trek for sure. तो चलो शुरुआत से शुरू करते हैं. So I'm trekking with a trek group and I paid 1300 for this. So हम base camp पहुंच चुके हैं. It's 5 o'clock in the morning but it's too dark so we cannot start the trek right now. तो हम यहाँ पे breakfast कर लेते हैं. उसके बाद we will start trekking. So morning हो चुकी है and we are all set to start the trek with a little warm up. So this trek is going to be quite raw and adventurous. आगे आगे देखो होता है क्या. ओहो, वाव.
अभी तो रिवर्स आएंगे.
Nice. This is just a beginning, and look at this mesmerizing view. Awesome, man. बारिश होना ट्रैक करते टाइम, it's like cherry on cake and we are so waiting for that. And you know what? बारिश आ गई. And the dense forest started from here. Excitement level is too high and weather is super amazing. You know, jungle में ट्रैक करना, that vibe, हल्की सी बारिश, इतना अच्छा सा मौसम. Overall, it's an amazing experience. You know, the best view comes after the hardest climb. And look at this place here, it's so mesmerizing. No, इतनी देर से वॉक करना, ट्रैक करना, जंगल क्रॉस करना, इस व्यू के लिए, it's just worth it. That's it for today. Now tell me, would you like to go on such treks? और ये भी बताओ, how did you like the video? And अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना and subscribe to this channel. And comment section में मुझे बताना how did you like the video. I'll see you soon. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.